Hello, this is Ichi, and this is the video for assignment 5. So basically in this assignment, what we are going to do is we have a class of rectangle, and we want to add two more function in the class rectangle. And first is we want to have a method of area that calculate the area of a given rectangle. And the second thing is we want to also add another perimeter method in rectangle to calculate the perimeter for the given rectangle. So here we go to dive in the code. So first of all, I have class called point that's is the corner point for the rectangle that defined in the rectangle class, which is not provided by the given code. So I have that here on my own. And now let's focus on the class of rectangle. And here, the first two init is just do the initialization for the rectangle, and second is the string that when you try to print what in the rectangle, it gives you the format of the string. So that's not very interesting. So what we have here that's really interesting is the function that calculate area, and also the function calculate the perimeter. So as we know, the area for the rectangle is just the width times the height, and also the width and the height are given when we initialize this rectangle, and also the perimeter is double the width plus the height. So we have 2 times the self width plus the self of height. All right, and also I do have a test here that to test whether the given expression is valid or not. So if it is a valid expression, that means that okay, the calculation here is success. Otherwise it's failed. We can run some test to see how things work. All right, so here we have a box and bomb, and we print them. So this is basically comes from the given code, so not that interesting. And what most interesting thing here is if we are given a rectangle R, which the corner at point 0, and has a width of 10 and height of 5, we want to see if the area function and perimeter function works. So here we go. Let's try to run this piece of code. All right, so we run the code. So here first we just print what is the box and what is the bomb. So this is just given from the code, which is not that interesting. And as we already defined the rectangle R that has a corner at 0 with 10 and height 5, now we can try to verify if the area function works and if the perimeter function works. So let's see. We want to do r.area equals 50. All right, here is that this expression is valid, and r.area equals 50 is true. So let's try to see what if we have a wrong expression here, and we see okay, the expression is not valid. R.area equals 30 is false. So that means that okay, the area function will actually give us the correct answer. So let's do the similar thing to the perimeter. R.perimeter equals 30. I think that's the correct answer. Yes. So the expression here is valid. The r.perimeter is 30 is true. So let's try another. Perimeter equals, let's say, 10. All right, it gives you the expression here is not valid. R.perimeter equals 10 is false. So that kind of tells us, okay, we have to correct implement the method area and the method of perimeter. So that would be all. Thank you.